If Steam is crashing before the main window even opens and you're seeing a Steam Bootstrapper error or the message that Steam Client Bootstrapper has stopped working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes that usually solve the problem in 2026. This error is often caused by a corrupted update file, a broken cache, or a Steam service issue in the background. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Steam from scratch. And if this video helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let's get right into it. First, we'll reset the package folder because this is one of the most effective fixes when Steam gets stuck during an update. Start by closing Steam completely. Don't just click the X in the corner. Make sure it is fully shut down. To be extra safe, open Task Manager and check for steam.exe. If you see it running, end the task so Steam is completely closed. Now open File Explorer and go to your Steam install folder. In most cases, that will be c:/program files x86/Steam. Inside that folder, look for a folder called Package. Open it and delete everything inside it. You are not deleting Steam itself, just the contents of that package folder. This helps clear out any interrupted or half-finished update files that may be causing the Bootstrapper to fail. Once that is done, relaunch Steam. When Steam starts again, it will rebuild what it needs and download the latest stable files. For a lot of users, this alone is enough to fix the error and get Steam opening normally again. If Steam still refuses to launch, the next thing to do is reset the GPU cache. Modern Steam uses graphics acceleration to display parts of the interface, and if your GPU driver was updated recently, Steam may be crashing because it is trying to load old cached data. To do this, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the run box, type %local app data% and press enter. This will open your local app data folder. Now find the Steam folder inside it. Open that folder and delete the htmlcache folder and the overlay folder. These folders store temporary interface and overlay data, and deleting them forces Steam to rebuild everything from scratch the next time it opens. After deleting those folders, try launching Steam again. In many cases, this clears up the Bootstrapper crash if the issue was caused by a broken UI cache or a driver conflict. If you are still having trouble, the next step is to repair the Steam service. This is the background Windows service that helps Steam handle permissions and startup tasks. If that service is damaged, Steam may fail before it ever reaches the main screen. Press Windows plus R again, and this time type the repair command exactly as shown, c:/program files x86/bin/steam-service.exe/repair, then press enter. A black command prompt window may appear briefly. Let it run and wait for it to close on its own. Do not interrupt it. Once the repair is finished, restart your computer if needed, and then open Steam again. This repair can fix deeper service level issues that prevent the Bootstrapper from loading properly. If Steam still has trouble after that, there is one more quick command worth trying. Open the run box again and type steam://flushconfig. This command clears Steam's configuration cache and can resolve startup problems caused by corrupted settings. After running it, Steam may ask you to sign in again, which is completely normal. Now launch Steam one more time and see if it opens correctly. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Bootstrapper error and get you back into Steam without needing a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped you fix the Steam Bootstrapper error, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of my Windows and gaming fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.